Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you what is TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop is a feature inside the TikTok application that lets users buy products directly from videos, live streams, and the Shop tab. You can browse, add to cart, and check out without leaving the application. Creators and brands can sell items or earn money through affiliative links, and it is especially popular for beauty, fashion, and home products. While many people love the deals and convenience, some users have reported issues like scams or late deliveries. So TikTok Shop is helpful, but be smart when shopping. That's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.